Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the fifth part of our video series in which we are learning about shapes in Korean language. So if you have not watched the first four parts of the series yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. I'll share the link of the complete playlist in the description so that it becomes easier for you to have an access to all those videos. So, in the previous four videos, we learned about dots and lines in Korean language. What are the different 2D and 3D shapes called in Korean? Now, in this fifth part, we are going to learn what are the different angles called in Korean language. Right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, etc. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin. Now, first of all, the question is, what is angle in Korean? How do you say angle in Korean language? So, there are two words for angle in Korean. Either it is 각, 각, or 각도, 각도. Okay, so angle in Korean is 각 or 각도. Now, let's move ahead and look at this very important note. In Korean language, the names of various 2D shapes, they include the word 각. You might have noticed this in my previous video on shapes in Korean language, in which we talked about 2D shapes in Korean. So if you look at that video, you'll notice that most of the 2D shapes, they have this word 각 in their name, in their Korean name. Okay, so what does this mean? 각 signifies the number of angles in the shape. Okay, so the number of angles present in a 2D shape is signified using this word 각. All right, for example, triangle in Korean is 삼각형. Sam is three in Korean and 각 is angle. And we all know that triangle has three angles. Okay, so this is the significance of 각 in this word for triangle in Korean, which is a 2D shape. Similarly, quadrilateral is 사각형. Sa is four and 각 is angle. So quadrilateral is a shape with four angles. Heptagon, 칠각형. 칠 means seven and 각, we all know, is angle. So heptagon has seven angles. Okay, so these all words, they incorporate 각 to indicate their respective number of angles. Okay, so now you know the importance of 각 in the name of different 2D shapes in Korean language. If you want to learn the Korean name for different 2D shapes, again, I will suggest you all to go and watch my video on this particular topic. All right? Now let's move ahead and talk about angles. Right angle in Korean is 직각, 직각. Next comes the Korean word for acute angle, and that is 예각, 예각. Acute angle are those angles which are less than 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degree is right angle, and angles that are lesser than 90 degree, they are acute angles. From 0 to 90 degree. This is the range of acute angle. Obtuse angle, 동각, 동각. Obtuse angles, the angles which are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees. They are obtuse angles. Straight angle, 180 degree. In Korean, this is 평각, 평각. Next comes reflex angle, which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees. And reflex angle is 우각, 우각. Now let's move ahead and see what is a complete angle or full angle or perfect angle called in Korean. And we all know complete angle is the angle which is of 360 degrees. So in Korean it is 완전각, 완전각. Okay? Alright, so in this video, we learned the Korean name for different angles. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.